When I got married, one of the best things that I got at my bridal shower from family was a stack of recipe cards that I'd gotten from basically everybody that was at the shower and then some. What I loved so much about this was that I was getting this collection of all these family recipes that had been passed down from generation to generation, and then everybody's creating their new recipes and they're giving them to me as a bridal shower gift to start out my new life. The hardest part about that was, where do I keep all of these recipe cards? And I've seen so many recipe journals, but I wanted to create something that was a little bit different. Because at these bridal showers, all of these ladies were giving me marital advice and cooking advice and all these different things where they were writing down these cute, fun little notes. So I created a recipe journal that combines all of the above. And it's not just one recipe journal, it's multiple. So depending on what kind of personality the bride has, whether she's a girly girl or she's fun and into music or she's sarcastic, or even if she's healthy and likes to collect healthy recipes. So let's take a peek at each one of these recipe journals. We're gonna start out with my personal favorite, the sarcastic recipe journal. Recipes I stole, basically indicating that these are the recipes that you've stolen from other people because you love them so much that you were forced to take them and write them down and keep them for yourself. These journals are broken up into chapters to keep all of your recipes organized. Appetizers and snacks, breakfast and brunch, soups and salads, poultry, beef, pork and seafood, vegetables and sides, baked goods, and desserts. Here is our first sarcastic humor. Many have eaten here, few have died. And starting with our appetizers and snacks chapter. At the top you put the title, where the recipe was stolen from, ingredients, directions, servings, prep time, cook time, and then any notes at the bottom. Each book has 180 pages that will hold 160 recipes. Our next bit of sarcastic humor, I am a great multitasker. I can listen, ignore, and forget all at the same time. I don't know what I would do without coffee. I'm guessing 25 to life. Ain't that the truth? I suffer from that disorder where I speak the truth and others get offended. Huh. I know I swear a lot. Number 1, I am sorry. Number 2, I'll try to do better. Number 3, numbers 1 and 2 are lies. There is no need to repeat yourself. I ignored you just fine the first time. First of all, no. Second of all, still no. I didn't mean to push all your buttons. I was looking for mute. And last, I'm actually not funny. I'm just mean and people think I must be joking. That wraps it up for the funny one. There's the back, there's the front. Recipes I stole. Moving on to the girly book. This one's nice and pretty and feminine and girly. Welcome to my kitchen. You could do a little dedication if this is a bridal shower gift. And then our kitchen conversions, chapters, cute little kitchen rules, flowers with the appetizers and snacks at the beginning of each chapter. With these recipe pages, there's flowers at the top, a little heart, there's a pretty cake at the bottom, the ingredients and the directions, and pretty writing. Cooking is love made edible. At the end of each chapter, you'll see all the lines under each saying, and there's plenty of space for people to write their best wishes or any advice or tips or anything extra that they would like to add in your book. Bless this kitchen. The secret ingredient is always love. Season everything with love. Clear your plate. Now, I don't know about you, but this is not something that anyone has ever had to tell me throughout my entire life. I love this little heart with all the kitchen gadgets and everything. It's so pretty. Bake someone happy. I can relate to that. And then all of me loves all of you. I love that cute little pattern on the front and the back, and with the heart on the front with recipes. Oh, that's so pretty. Next up is the fun recipe journal. This could be for older kids or just fun, upbeat adults. Look at that cute little pattern with the chefs and the food. Oh, I love that one. Let's open it up and take a peek. Again, we got the kitchen conversions and the contents with the chapters. Now this right here will explain why this book is the fun one. The recipe pages for this one, there's a fork and a spoon up top with a chef hat and then a cupcake at the bottom. There's nothing not fun about cupcakes. Now I love Snoop Dogg, but he's probably going to tell you don't drop it because it's hot, especially in this circumstance. Watch me whip, watch me nay-nay. Now watch me whip, whip. Y'all, this is why I was in band and not in chorus. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no treble. Don't go breaking my heart. Every day I'm rustling. I'm sorry, I'm terrible. They see me rolling, they hatin'. I just thought of Weird Al Yankovic from singing that. Baker's gonna bake, 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 bake. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. There, we're done. You're welcome. If you made it this far, you are a rock star. Moving on to our last recipe journal for this video. This is the healthy version. There are a couple differences in this one that make it the healthy version. First of all, there's a ton of vegetables on the front, so it just looks healthier. Secondly are the contents. If you know someone who is a vegan, vegetarian, or plant-based, entrees is in a chapter where you could have meats or no meats. That is totally up to you. And there is an entire chapter for salads. In Food We Trust, if it's the good stuff, of course. The recipe cards here are just a little bit different. With the fork, spoon, and knife up top, there's a bag of veggies up top, and then the avocado on the bottom where the notes are. Always be grateful. I love the play on words for this one. Choose your weapon. Don't mind if I do. Simmer down, going into the soups and sauces chapter. Let us remain calm, going into the salads. Classic. Let the beat drop. I'll save you by not singing anymore. There's Every Day I'm Brustling again, going into the side dishes. Oh, I love me some Brussels sprouts. Then of course, Too Hot to Handle. And then there's All of Me Loves All of You again, like in the girly one. And that's it out of all of our recipe journals. As you can see, there's vegetables all over the front and back, so you can tell this is the healthy one. All of these recipe journals are available on Amazon, and I will post the links below. And these aren't just great for bridal showers, they're also great for anyone who likes to cook and they're tired of using sticky notes to keep all their recipes together. And you know what else? Mother's Day is coming up, Christmas, birthdays. When is there not an occasion for a recipe journal for someone who loves to cook? My thoughts exactly. See you next time.